Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we're doing a world coin hunt which has been designated World Coin Hunt number 53. This is the first coin. Let's just zoom in. Oops, a bit too far. This coin here is from Israel. It's a 10 Argot from 1994. On this side we have the value within the square. On the reverse side we have the seven branch candelabra, Jewish candelabra. Unfortunately there is no mintage figures for this coin. This next coin is a brass coin from Belgium. It's a 20 franc coin from 1981. It shows on this side Baudouin I. On the reverse we have the value of 20 francs. We also have the flower, the country name and the year. This 1981 20 franc coin has a mintage of 60 million. Come on. This next coin is from India. Oops. We have in fact four coins all with the same value. So we have this one here, which is a 2 rupiah. We have this one here, which is another 2 rupiah. Let's just go up a little bit. So we have two coins, both are 2 rupiahs, slightly different fascias to them. Then we have one here, which is also a 2 rupiah, and we have this one, which is a 2 rupiah. The years for these coins, they all have the Ashoka lion on the front with the country's name. For 2007 and 2009, 11 and 17. There are no mintage figure for any of these coins. So there are two different backs and two Ashoka lions. So those are the four coins. The next one is a Turkish coin. It is a 1 Turkish lira from 2005, and there are in fact two of them. So there we go. We have Ataturk, which is the president and military officer, and we have the year and the value on the other side. Both these coins are from 2005, and they are two of the Turkish lira out of the 305,235,560, and these are just two of them. The last coin in the first row, I need to just turn the page, is from Luxembourg. This is a coin that I've not seen very often. So if we just go down a little bit and we can see it in a bit more detail since we're not looking at two coins at a time. This is Jean Grand Duke of Luxembourg, or Crown Duke of Luxembourg. It's a 1987 coin. It has a value of 5 francs. On the other side we have the Luxembourg crown above the 5 franc value. We have the year, and we have either IML or JML as a mark underneath right at the bottom here. The mintage for this 1987 coin is 7 million. Next column of coins, and we have two of these. Of course there's two of them, there's bound to be two of them if I've just taken the camera up. There we go, we have Marianne of France, and we have the 20 centimes on the other coin. These coins are from 1974 and from 1987. The 1974 coin has a mintage of 54,348,811. The 1987 coin has a mintage of 59,996,449. There we go, this is the next one. Let's take that down a bit more now. And we have a Brazilian 5 centavos from 2015. On this side we have Jesus and the peace dove, plus the name of the country. On the reverse we have the value of 5 centavos and the year. The mintage for this Brazilian coin is 280 million. Next we have a Swedish coin which shows the year and King Carl Gustaf XVI. The year for this coin is 1977 and the value is 1 krona. On the reverse we have the crown above the Swedish shield showing 3 crowns within it. We also have the country name and the value. For this 1 krona coin from 1977 there was a mintage of 80,434,476. This next coin is from Belgium and it's 5 francs in value. It's from 1972. Yes, Paris on the front with the cornucopia to hit the rear of his head and the year. On the reverse we have an oak stem that is crowned with the value either side of that oak stem. For this 1972 coin we have a mintage of 17,500,000. Now this is an unusual one. Can anybody guess which country it's from this side? We have the year and the monogram of Leopold II. It's 1939. It's a 25 cent and it's hold. We also have the country name. Actually it's supposed to be that way up. Okay, on the back we have the 25 cents below the hole. We have 3 shields. And you also have the country name, which is Belgium. The mintage for this Belgian coin is 7,732,000. We have a coin here from Spain. It's Juan Carlos I, so you got the portrait of the king, you have the year and the country name on this side. It's a 1989 coin and you have the coat of arms and the value on this side. The mintage for this 5 peseta coin from 1989 is 109,270,000. Over the wrong way round. So the next coin here is from Belgium, 1 franc from 1973. It has perfectly the cornucopia and the year on this side. On the reverse of this side we have the stem, the crowned oak leaf stem. Then we have the 1 and franc either side of the oak leaf stem, and we have the year. Oh, sorry, the year is on the other side. This 1973 1 franc coin from Belgium has a mintage of 42,500,000. This coin is from France. It is the Soa. It's from 1960 and it has a value of 1 franc. On the reverse side we have the value. We have a lot of stems and a year. This 1960 coin that was 1 franc has a mintage of 406,375,000. Next one is from Argentina and it's a 1 peso coin. It shows the sun emblem, the year, the country and the value. This is a 1996 coin, and on the reverse we have the cornucopia and the country, and the mintage of this coin is 30 million. And the last coin in this front, which way round is it? Such a small coin, it's very difficult to be able to see it. There we go, that's the right way. This is a coin from Colombia. It's a 5 peso coin from 1991. On this side we have the year, the country and the coat of arms. On the reverse side, if I can pick it up, we have the value of 5 pesos, and we have an olive stem. This 1991 coin has a value, has a mintage, sorry, of 60 million. If you've enjoyed this coin hunt, could you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. And if you haven't already done so, could you at least think about subscribing? I know around about 50% of the people that view this channel are actually subscribed. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. I am trying to grow my subscriptions again this year, and I would very much like to I'm aiming towards 200 minimum, 250 would be ideal. If you can help me out and you believe I deserve it, I'll be thankful for your subscription. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get them for the price you want to pay. Until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too long in the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.